You are going to love the 2025 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.